Ganda na ng camera doon. Thank God it's Friday Team Online at thank God magkakasama pa rin tayo. Welcome dito sa Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7 Online! The live drama special. Siyempre, we're at day 2 of the live drama na Titig ng Pag-ibig at live na live pa rin tayo dito sa location para sa day 2 nga ng ating live drama challenge.
Ang swerte natin.
Sobrang swerte natin dahil pasabog ka agad ang simula ng Darla, baba mo yung paa mo, nakakahiya. Okay. Super pasabog ng ating start ng episode dahil as early as now ay meron tayong makakausap na bibigyan tayo ng wala nang mas exclusive pang chika tungkol sa ating live drama challenge. Kaya let's all welcome Team Online ang nag-iisang Direk Rory B. Quinto!
Hi, Direk!
Hi, Direk! Direk, welcome to our hotel room. Wait, saan si Direk? Oh, dito ka. Darla, lapit ka. Hi, Direk!
Congrats, Direk!
Yes! Did you get to rest na, Direk?
Yeah. It's been so much fun.
Talaga?
Yeah, it's been so much fun.
Oh, gusto ko yung fun at hindi pagod o stress kasi we were hearing you sa ano ba yun, sa Commu kahapon. Talagang may sigawan and then after every body na matapos may palakpakan.
May palakpakan kasi we were getting excited syempre with your adrenaline so up while you're on air. So talagang, you're commanding the cameras. Malakas ang boses ko as it is. So yeah.
Pati motivation ni Direk, live na live din. Diba? Yung mga live scenes, live na nag-motivate si Direk.
But it's been so much fun. What an experience.
Oh, okay. So, day 1, any surprises, any assessment na pwede nyo i-share sa amin? Mga revelations or mga kailangan pang mag-step up?
Well, when we were rehearsing the whole thing, I had my doubts about some of them. But from the start, alam ko, sabi ko, itong si Maymay, okay ito. Itong si Edward, okay ito. Si Elise, si Makoy. But I wasn't sure about the others. But after the day 1, ang galing naman nilang lahat as a team. You know, talagang sobra talaga yung spirit. I've said it over and over again, na ang galing ng teamwork nila. Kisses, in the end, turned out okay. Young is doing well. So yun, so overall, kami, day 1 was a success. As in, a huge success. In fact, nung after the last cup, nagsisigaw, nagtatalunan kaming lahat dito sa system. And also, when nagkita-kita kami with the housemates, we were all, yay!
Samantala kami direct
saya-saya.
Yes, totoo.
Saya.
Pero we were following you direct behind the scenes at gagawin ulit natin yan tonight.
Ako yung mga sigaw ko na
Yes, pero okay lang. Nararamdaman tuloy, ang nakakatawa is nararamdaman din ng mga nanonood. Ganun pala yung behind the
May
scenes.
realization sila.
May mga takbuhan, hindi lang pala.
No, it's not as like very calm and hindi. Siyempre, adrenaline mo. Nasa live ka magkamali ng isang beses. Well, there was a technical glitch or something, but other than that, okay.
Wala kaming napansin nila.
Wala kayong napansin?
Wala. Will you tell us kung saan yung
may
glitch?
nakalimutang line, pero
Yes, we followed this. Correct kasi for wrong, ang nag-adlib na madami si Nico, madami. And then may mga may din na adlib.
Edward din, yung mga moments na dapat mahimik lang.
Oo, kasi there was, we instructed them na kung wala pa yung isang artista tumatakbo pa, hold the scene, mag-adlib kayo hanggang dumating yung na yan. So, yun.
Ang dami nag-comment sa online world direct. They were very impressed with Cora. Yun ang
number
one name. Even if hindi siya lead role, siya ang pinuri talaga sa online world.
Si Cora, sa auditions pa lang, kita mo kaagad, ay, itong batang ito meron. And when we tested her range, malawak ang range. She just needs to keep speaking Tagalog para masanay yung dila niya. Kasi may twang yung punta niya eh. May twang pa siya eh. But like what I said, in other interviews, she can become a very good character actress. Pwede siyang maging cherry pie, mga ganon.
Wow!
Oo. At saka ang maganda sa kanya, very determined. Number 1, napakatalino. Ang talino ni Cora, ang sarap kausap. So she picks up instructions very fast. Tapos pag sinabi ko, Cora, do it like this, right? Gets niya kaagad. So mag-workshop lang. Tagalog, araw-araw. I think we'll be seeing her a lot in ABS-CBN.
Ano i-expect namin sa day 2, direct?
Wow, for day 2, well, Tanner is making his appearance.
Ang daming nagabang niyan kahapon.
Dear Tanner.
Oh, Tanner.
Such a nice guy.
Would you say day 2 would be harder or easier na for them dahil medyo mataas kumpiyansa nila coming from a win sa kanilang
Yeah, but what they don't know is that si Kuya has some surprises for them.
Oh my gosh. Na hindi natin alam.
Wala doon. Wala doon.
Si
So,
Kuya hindi nasasabi.
it's something to look forward.
Pero marami
Hindi ko
pa-
na sasabihin.
Yes.
Para manood po kayo.
I'm for
kas-
sure they will watch.
Pero parang mas
Baka
maraming
matutuwa.
direct, intense na scenes.
Yeah, they're more And then McCoy and Elise have their scenes together now. So it's more romantic today.
Oh, even more.
Romantic.
Yung yesterday,
More
super nakakilig na what more today. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, gaano kahanda ng ating housemates? You think?
Well,
For day 2.
handa sila. What will be interesting is kung masurpass nila o maano nila yung challenge nila, ang challenge ni Kuya para sa kanila.
Nakakaloka si Kuya, no?
Yes,
Parang
hindi
hindi pa enough na
tumigil.
challenge. Kasi parang
Yun.
sisiwlaw daw yung...
Ako, I'm excited
drama.
to see kung how they will handle it.
Oh.
Pero direct, parang pinagmukha mong napakadaling mag-direct ng
Ng live drama.
Naku, katakot-takot na rehearsal kami.
So okay sa'yo direct na mag-produce
I'm
sa
having
PBS
fun.
ng live drama
Actually,
talaga?
yesterday,
So much fun.
nagla-live po kami direct, tapos nanood sa Instagram Live si Piolo Pascual, tapos sabi namin, baka sobrang magustuhan ng mga bossing ng live drama. Next week, live drama presents Piolo Pascual. Baka matawa sila masyado.
Kasi parang sinisiw na talaga ni direct eh.
So much fun.
But congratulations to you and your whole
Thank you.
team for the hard work. And 2 days pa.
Yeah, 2 days.
Kaya, oo.
And we're getting there. Now we're excited, we're excited about tonight.
Oh, before we let you go direct, please invite everyone for
Yes,
tonight.
I'd like to invite everybody to watch day 2 of our live drama. And I'm sure po na mag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Kasi kami dito, kaming mga behind the cameras, we're very excited to see how the housemates, how the dream team is going to handle Kuya's challenge for today. So it's something to look forward to, and I invite all of you to join us in watching the housemates as they try to surpass this challenge.
Thank you, Direk, for passing by yan sa
Thank
BTL
you.
natin. Thank you very, very much and good luck
Thank you.
later. Okay.
Napaka